This is Taj English Academy. I am your lecturer, presenter and speaker, Dr. Taj Firdosi. Ladies and gentlemen, let us start our lecture today with the spoken English. I have been telling you and repeatedly I have been telling you. I am saying it now, I am again repeating it, saying that whenever you want to speak any language, you have to speak in the same way, the same phonetics, the same way, the same styles, and everything should be according to the accents and intonations and rhymes. Everything should go accordingly. You can't mix any other language into English style and speak that because that's your language and you wanted to say that. Every language of the country, of the area has its own flavor, the real one, the original one, and that's what you should have. If you got to say in Arabic, you should know the sound like of, kha, kh, kha, and then you have to say fa, and then gha. These are all the sounds that in other languages it's very difficult. People for and kha, they will say only ka. It's different. For example, kal. If somebody is saying kalb, it becomes the meaning is dog. Qalb is heart. Look at the meaning, the difference. Oh, you are my heart. In Arabic, if somebody says anta kalbi, if somebody says anta kalbi, that means instead of saying anta qalbi, and he says anta kalbi, he has to say you are my heart, anta qalbi. And what he says is anta kalbi. Kalbi means dog, you are my dog. What's the meaning of these words? See, the meanings are quite opposite, only with a little change in the sounds. You have to keep full attention, you have to have full attention, and you should be very precisely and accurately deliver the sounds, the speech. I have been telling you that one. And never speak English through Urdu, through Hindi, through Chinese, through Tagalog, through Malayalam, through Bangalore, through any other language other than English. English should be spoken like English. And how do we do that now? You have to learn for that one. Only just writing and practicing and speaking according to the spellings is wrong. For example, what are you doing, my friend? It looks okay. What are you doing, my friend? What are you doing, my friend? Okay, in writing it's okay, but when you speak about that one, there are 840 different languages of the states or the different languages in the whole India. 840. So, in every part English can be spoken, it will be spoken, it will be mixed with their language, so that differs. Or any other one who speaks Urdu, if he speaks English in the same way, Urdu has got its flavor of this asking questions and everything. Yes, aap aa rahe hain na? You are coming, isn't? You are coming, aren't you? You are coming, aren't you? And that's the way. And what do people say? You are coming na? What's the meaning of na? Na is from Urdu, Jani. Is English. You are coming na? I told you na. That means maine kaha tha na. It's just to make sure. Yes, I have told you. Haven't I? It should be in English, haven't I? I have told you, haven't I? Yes. I told you, didn't I? So, ladies and gentlemen, the only thing that I want to stress, that I want to emphasize, in saying that whenever you speak English, because I am teaching English here, and you should know that English should be spoken as English. How? First. It's a separate chapter, the sounds, delivery of the sounds, how the sounds should be pronounced, and how do we do that one? Only with your spoken native speaker or a highly qualified in the phonetics teacher. I've been a lecturer for 35 to 40 years. I've been teaching in foreign countries. Therefore, gentlemen, learn English through the qualified, only the qualified teachers with post-graduation in English and then post-graduation in teaching and specialization in phonetics. That's all. Thank you very much. See you again. If you are interested in learning phonetics, register your name on the numbers given here. And therefore, once I get a group, I can start the separate classes for these people. There can be the graduates or even the postgraduates and the professionals. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. Please pass this message to each and everyone. Bye.